Welcome to Arroyo Seco. A part of Los Padres National Forest, the incredible landscape here offers visitors an abundance of hiking, biking, wildlife viewing, fishing, and of course, camping. Located in Central California in Monterey County, the campgrounds here were recently in need of a new water treatment system for their guests. And with a total of 47 campgrounds available to the public, the previous water system had pumped upwards of 24,000 gallons of water per day for their visitors. As time had passed, this old water treatment system had become outdated. So Doug Reitmeyer from GC Experts quickly stepped in and began working away to bring in a completely new system for the park.
You have a well that's about 65 feet deep here. They pump the water. It contains large amounts of manganese and iron. There are two 12,500 gallon tanks up on the hill, total of 25,000 gallon capacity. We installed a radio system. We actually replaced one that was here that wasn't working, so that we get a signal up there when the tanks are full, turns the pump off. When the people start using it, turns the pump back on. So they maintain approximately 20 to 25,000 gallons of water at all times. When the signal comes down and says we need water up on top of the hill, it turns the well pump on down below. We've got about a 3 horsepower well pump capable of pumping up to 400 feet. When the water comes out of the well, it comes through here where this chemical feed pump kicks in and we add the sodium hypochlorite. And this is adjustable rate so that you've got the correct amount that you can oxidize the iron and the manganese out of the water and kill any contaminants or bugs that might be in the well water. With normal operation, once we begin the oxidization process, put the sodium chloride to the water, we now come across over here and we enter into, this is our filter tank. So this is a very unique product in here, a type of filtering system that actually acts as a catalyst to the chlorine and the oxygen in the sodium hypochlorite to further polish and clean the water and take out the iron oxide and the the manganese oxide that's been created by the oxidation process.
Because the County of Monterey is in charge of enforcing the regulations of water treatment facilities for the public, Cheryl Sandoval from the Monterey County Water Department made sure to check and approve that everything at the facility was up to regulation and running smoothly. As soon as this water treatment system needed replacing, Doug Reitmeyer, as the project manager for MS Square Construction, provided the solution. With this new water treatment system now in full operation, the public is assured of safe, clean water provided by the U.S. Forest Service at the Arroyo Seco campgrounds.